back to my channel, Miss Damn Jewelry. I'm Dolores, and you're probably wondering why you're looking at dirt. Well, I'll tell you why. We're digging up a flower bed. So before, the entire garden was is all grass. Obviously, it's all has turf on it, grass, sod, whatever. So it's got grass on it, and as nice as it is, it's a little boring. And Dave likes a garden. So what we're going to do is we've got a tiller or rotavator if you're in the UK. And we've done all this. We've rotavated this whole area. So it's about a little over a foot and a half wide. So this is going to be full of flowers. Oh, there's my little rainbow bit of my fence. It's going to have in the back there along the fence, it's going to have taller plants, and then here we'll have, like, it'll be like graduated. So over here, there's my clothesline. So over here, the next thing is we're going to, and this is today, we have to move these sinks. I had these sinks in my garden in my other house, and as cool as they were, I don't know where to put them here. So I'm gonna have to move these sinks, because when we moved here, we just just get it in, really quick. Because we just wanted to move. So now we have to take all this stuff out, move these, I guess around there. I'm not sure where they're going. I don't know. So we're going to then rotovate till this from that edge all the way across to there. So it'll be an even, and all, because this is kind of dead space here. This is that dead space. It's just against the wall. Nothing's really happened. So we're going to make a flower bed here. So my laundry, it's hanging out. This is where we're at. So we've done this side. Pretty good. Turned it over with a shovel. Well, first we rotavated it. And then I came back with a shovel. Did it all up. And then we rotavated it again. Tilled it. So that's where we're at. So it's this side. Now, I want to show you, when I talk about hardcore, what they do is, a lot of times when they have a building site and they need to level the ground out without putting a bunch of dirt down, they'll put in a mix of dirt and crap, rocks, whatnot. Either it's here or they get it from somewhere. So these are the fun things I found while digging. You've got slate from a roof, screw, concrete, clay, brick, whatever. I thought that was a potato. It was clearly a rock. Metal. And there's glass here. Excuse my hands, they're dirty because I've been in the dirt. Porcelain. Big rocks. I think that's coal. Unclear. So that's what they put in the ground when they mix it with dirt to, build up the land, to build up the ground. So this is not unusual here, except it sucks when you have to rotovate or till something up. There's some more. These rocks came out of that. So my laundry. We started this, so we rotavated this, dug some of it over. Now the problem with this was it goes like that, so it kind of goes downhill. So what we're trying to do is drag some of this dirt up against that fence there, to level it out so it's not like downhill. So that's what we're doing now. I'm digging this bit up here just to make the line more pronounced, more prominent, the edge. So that's what I'm doing now. That's where we're at. Okay, so we're at the next, oh, look at those. Those are fun, little colored berries. I like those. We're at the next place. We're at a garden center. And we're just kind of having a look around. I want to find some chrysanthemums. I like the ones at the other place, but they were kind of too big. I wanted like smaller ones. I don't know. How much are the acers? $21.99. Oh my God. Katsura. I have to show Dave these. Let's see. Oh, awesome. I don't know where they're going to be because usually you go the other way. But seeing how they're redoing all the Christmas, which looks amazing. I'll have to come here for Christmas and show you guys. Let's see. Okay. I want to look at that statue. These, I know I've brought you here before. This place is great. I love it. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see him. Chrysanthemums. Oh, oh, look, they're like different colors in one pot. Oh my gosh. Like, oh, see, I want oh, here we go. They got the small ones. Okay, I'm happy. I like this size too, $11.99. Ball chrysanthemums. Oh, okay, I don't know what to pick now. I like this color and this color, and I think these three colors together would be really pretty. Or if they have a bright, you don't have any small bright yellow ones, so that's an issue. But maybe I'm overlooking. Maybe I'm not seeing them. Look, they have loads. I know. Look, these are mixed, which I like. See these here? These trios? They're already mixed.
Yeah, I know.
I like it.
So do I actually.
Right?
Well, because I'm thinking, if you look at the size of them, that's what I was looking at, this is 2 for 9.
Yeah.
But like you say,
I like these. I do like the dark ones though, and the white. Which ones do you think?
I like them all.
Right?
But like you say, yeah, I think mix are better than just like a single colour.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you just need the one, right? For
I would, well, yeah.
look at Beth, a donkey. I like a pine tree. We have one. Do we have one in our backyard? I think we left it. Look at that peacock over there. Okay. I'm going to walk this way. He's walking the other way. Okay. Let's look at the pots. Do I need pots? No. So I want pots? Yes. I love this one. I love this big bee pot. Oh, there's some more up here. Oh, I love those colors. Okay, don't really need pots. I would like a deer, but I'm sure it's going to be hundreds of pounds, and I don't even see a deer. So, I like a bird bath, though. I should put one in the middle of my garden. Okay. All right. My front garden. Wow. These 50% off, $39. I love that. 50% off, $39.99, so 20 quid, basically. Dave, shopping days. I love those bee ones. Those are so good. What are those? Is a crocus? What is that? That's cool. Okay. Dave's over that way. So I basically know what I want. I just need to get it. I'm just having a look around. We'll look at the fruit trees. These are my favorite of all time. Oh. Do you have this color? And do you have that color? Do we have this color? Do we have, oh yeah, you have boysenberry? You got Georgia plum? Back there?
Oh,
Ooh.
that's it, right?
Yeah, I know. Look at these pumpkins. Oh my God. I found the coolest pots. You have to come look. $19.99.
Ceramic.
I know. Probably a long time, like terracotta, like a terracotta pot.
Sorry.
Oh,
So much of these food price.
$6.99.
See, now if I can buy them at 60, I mean, no, this should be $4.99 compared
Yeah.
to then.
But look at the colors,
I
though.
know, well, look.
Do we have this one?
One's,
These are $7.99. Do we have?
let's
Do you
see, they're better. That
Yeah.
place.
Do we have this one?
That size. I don't
Do we have?
know.
We don't have that one.
What
But
is
the
it
spotty
called?
one, I don't know. These are my favorite plants, y'all. This is why I'm like.
That's a marmalade.
Do we have a marmalade?
Yeah, I'm sure one of them. That's at lime, I've got.
Should we get it? Should we get it? Do it. Do it. Do it.
Is that the one that stays for? That one I saved that I liked on the.
Which
thing there.
What's that one called?
Oh, that's marmalade. No.
Is it? Oh, it is marmalade. That's a pretty one. Some of the plants we bought yesterday when you saw us at the garden center. And so some of these were already here. He bought some new ones. These are heucheras, or what I think they call in the States cowbells. This one looks a little warm. This one was in a pot, so we planted it in the ground. But that's the whole thing. And we'll go along and see what we've got here. So again, different colored. And I love the different colors of these heucheras or heucheras. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Cowbells. But there's so many great colors that I just love this plant. In the summertime, they get these long, tall, flowery stalks that the bees love. So we'll go all the different colors of heucheras. These here, these little, they're kind of scraggly, but they were on sale, and they are lavender. So hopefully they'll come back, over time. These back here, the long purple ones, he called them Russian sage. So I think they're pretty. Again, bees and stuff like them. Sorry, I was looking back at my cat, make sure she didn't go off anywhere. These are hebes. They're like little bushes, and again, this is something else that the bees, the butterflies love, and they'll fill out. They'll all fill out. These are I can't remember what those are called, but they have like either little red berries or orange berries or yellow berries. It'll bush out as well. So this is where we're at, and this is the other side of the garden. This is the other side that we dug up. That we all dug up. So far we're here. These are clematis. There, and he's got them staked so they will grow up the fence. These, I don't know what those are, but those are pretty. Those little, again, another bee attractor. Bees like them. I can't remember what he called those. I don't know. Black-eyed Susans, which are there. Another one that's like the white plant. That's just a purple version of it. Another little yellow plant. This one. These have purple heads on them, these flowers, that one there. And then he had this bush from the other house. He brought it back from the other house. So it's just now gone into the ground, which hopefully it'll, take off again. These are, oh, look, they're already getting berries. So this is raspberries, with the golden raspberries. And this is my blackberry bush that he's got here. So that's what it looks like now. That's all of it there. So we'll go to the front and show you what we planted out there. This is the front of my garden, y'all. This is part of the garden tour. This is October now. We're in October now. We started the garden in, I think it was August. So this is where we're at. Dave's just watering everything. And so these are chrysanthemums. I've got more chrysanthemums there. I got my boo and my little, what are those called? Those pine trees, Dave?
Korean pine.
Korean pines. And then we'll go over here. So I've got a wreath on my front door. Okay, so there's a wreath on the front door. And we'll go here. And more Korean pines. Korean pine. More chrysanthemums. More chrysanthemums, my little Halloween dudes. And we went pumpkin picking today, so we got a few little cute pumpkins and gourds. So, this Dave's want to see. So this garden is always under change. And then over here, I've got these little flowers here. So I'll back up and show you the full view of the front yard. Right, this is the whole front yard. This is the front of my house. So that's what I showed you just a minute ago. And my car's in the way. And then that's the rest of it. That's Dave sorting out the chrysanthemums. And there we go. So that's the front, y'all. The front's come out. This other yard is just grass right now. Unclear what I'm going to do with it. If I'm going to just, I will leave it grass. I will not, like, pave it over or anything. But let's go back here. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm doing. I might make a little semicircle here of a garden. Or I might put a tree in the middle. Or I might just put borders along the edge here. So don't know. We're still kind of figuring out what we're going to do with the front yard. Again, it'll be mostly grass, but we might put a flower bed somewhere around here. And that's it, y'all. That is the tour of the front of the house. Now, I will go back and show you the back of the house because I think there's different snippets of the back garden being completed. So I think it's almost done now. So we'll go back and look at that. Okay, so here is the final, these have to be changed. But this is the final, so far, this is all we're doing this autumn. This is it right here. I'll do a shot back. This is it, y'all. This is what we've done so far since August. We've been working on this. So this is where we're at. Loads of different plants, loads of little garden thingies. This is where we're at. Now, some of these may not last the winter, but we'll see. I think most of them should. They're evergreens or whatever. So this is an apple tree. And obviously, if you don't have a self-fertilizing or a self-pollinating apple tree, you have to have two. And they should always be different varieties. This is because I Googled it. So there's our soil. There's one tree. This is called Apple Freedom. It's a red apple. And then we'll go over here. We still have stuff out, our tools out. We'll go over here. And this is a John Gold tree. So we've got two apple trees. So they should pollinate each other. Allegedly. We'll find out. We won't obviously get anything this year, but we're hoping to, hopefully have a bumper crop maybe soon. Next year, year after, who knows. But those are apple trees. This is the other side of the garden. So this is all planted, all pretty, loads of pretty flowers. Don't ask me the names because I do not know. There's Cat playing in the garden. And like I said, those are berry bushes. I've got golden raspberries, blackberries there. This is all just pretty much ornamental. That's it, y'all. That is my garden. That is the hard work we did from August until now. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's my clothesline. The sun's out today, which is lovely for an October day. Not too cold. So that is it. You saw the front. This is the finished back. And I hope you enjoyed the process. It's a hard thing to do when it's just the two of you, but the rewards are great. The rewards are we can come out here and enjoy these pretty flower beds. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along on the gardening journey, and I will see you next time. Bye.